You want to play? She wants to play. Pachito's not really sure.
He's a little nervous, I think.
So thirsty.
Some pre-boat dog admiring.
What about sister admiring?
Yeah, sure, that too. Good morning, Meshach. It's Thursday, July 1st, and after some car troubles and after playing with...
Hey, we had no car troubles.
Well, after some car working and playing with a dog, we're ready to go summarize the boat, so let's go do that. All right, we've arrived. Here's the boat. Here's my father. We're gonna summarize it now. All right, guys, we've started the process of summarizing the boat. Just did an oil check, but we've been noticing there are bees coming in to the side of the boat. We think they are in the bilge pump. It would be some bad news if we discovered the bees have a hive in here. We'll keep you posted.
Is there 5 of them?
There are more than 5 at some point.
We'll get a bag, Sam.
Yep. All right, guys, we've discovered the root of at least some of our problems. I haven't seen it yet, so this is gonna be my first peek. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see that there. That's a beehive. And that's a bee right on it. My dad's gonna go ahead and try and remove the beehive. I would call that a success. Schmackers, to the best of our knowledge, no more bees. That's great news.
No more bees.
Did one just fly behind me? We're on the water, got the boat in, it's running well.
It started.
It started, we're ready to go. It all paid off. We're smoking cigars on a boat, so.
And we might go swimming, maybe.
And then my dad and I filmed way more video on that boat, except every single bit of the audio was ruined by the wind. So, I hope you enjoyed that 1-second clip of us smoking cigars. Meshach, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi viewers, I still love you.